Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to reset your service now light, your change brake light, and any other service lights on your F30 BMW 2011 to 2020. This method will be the same. So make sure your fob is in the vehicle, foot off the brake, press the start button. Now that it's on, you can see the service required lights, and you can see from your MMI, these are the lights we need to reset. So what you want to do next, cycle with the BC button here, this button right here. We're going to cycle to the main page, which is that right there. And then next, we're going to hold this rectangle button on the bottom left. It's going to tell you you can reset the following. Brake fluid reset possible. If you want to confirm it, you just hold it. It's going to ask if you want to reset. You're going to let go and hold it again. Now there's a reset in progress. Just let the bar finish. Reset successful. After you have done that successfully, as you can see, this will be updated to green and the reminder will be changed to the new 5,000 kilometers or 18 or whatever is required or programmed for your vehicle. Next, we're going to reset the engine oil light. We're going to do the same step. Just hold this button on the bottom left on your digital infotainment display. It's going to tell you reset possible. We're going to let go and hold it again. It's going to ask if you want to reset. You're going to let go and hold it again until it cycles through. Reset in progress. Reset successful. As you can see, now that is clear as well. Now we have rear brake pads reset. Same thing, we just did a major service on this car. So we're going to reset all of the services. We're just going to hold it. Reset possible, so let go. Hold it to confirm. It's going to ask if you want to reset. Let go and hold it again. So there's reset unsuccessful for this one because sometimes if the sensor hasn't been changed, you have to change that first before you can reset it. So as you can see, that's still going to be there. We can try it one more time. So it's unsuccessful. We're going to take a look at the sensors, but that's how you reset every other service, as you can see. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hope you have a wonderful day and thank you for watching.